Hi everyone. So today we'll be showing you how I created this CRM leads management and follow-up system using Zapier. So as you can see here, I have finished creating all of the paths, the choices that we have in Asana. So by the way, this is an integration between Asana and Zapier. So whenever you have some changes on or updated task on Asana, you will have automations to send follow-up emails, create folders, and create subtasks for your team members, and attach PDF files for follow-ups, for upsells, and more. So before I break down the workflow, let's try the automation first to so you can visually understand what's happening in the workflow. So as I have mentioned, um, the automation is designed to send follow-ups, files, and create subtasks for team members whenever we change or update the lead status here in Asana. So, for example, if we um, choose no response, the automation will trigger several email follow-ups for the customer until the client responds. While ready to start will trigger creating a file folder for the client and then assigning a subtask for the team members. While for quoted, this is also an email follow-up to inform the customer about the prices, and then approved is about the if the customer and the company has reached an agreement for the product. While paid and closed, we have successfully serviced the client, and then we can also do some upsells through email follow-ups. So let's try first the no response. And as you can see here, our email address is Chikot. So let's go to that email. Let me just so as you can see here, the first email has been sent based on the no response tag. So this is the first email. And then we set the delay for 1 minute. You can set the time duration that you want. You can do some scheduling in Zapier as well. But for testing purposes, I just set it for 1 minute. So we will just wait a little bit shorter for this testing. And then this is the email too. If we are not receiving any replies from the client, we can send several email follow-ups until until the client responds. And then we are expecting that we will receive the third follow-up email for this uh, no response lead status. So there you go. So as you see here, we have also received the follow-up email 3. So that's the third email set up for the no response path for this automation. Next, by the way, we have also set an email to inform the client that our customer did not respond. So this is an optional step that if you would like to also add. So let's try another lead status. Now let's try ready to start. So what will happen here is that we will create a drive folder for the client. Under clients, and I think this is the one. So the automation has successfully created the um, file folder named under the task name, and it will create a subtask under the task name containing the folder link under description. So there you go. This is the subtask that contains the Google Drive link. So these kinds of automations, you can use this for your uh, team members if you want to automatically assign leads to your team members. So this is also one of the use cases of these uh, automations. And then for the other paths, we have quoted, approved, and paid and closed. These are all email follow-ups. So if you choose quoted, approved, and paid and closed, uh, those lead status corresponds with different kinds of email sequences. So you can also set those up to make sure all of your customers are updated.